Hello, Blossoms! Let's repeat farm animals. Cow, sheep, goose, horse, chicken, goat, pig, donkey, duck, rabbit. Thank you for watching. See you next time.